Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I will show with you step by step how you can add a RoVer bot to your own Discord server. So guys, let's get started. First, open your Discord and click on the server name from here and drop down. As you can see here guys, click on the server setting, and after setting, going to the left and scroll down slowly and show up directory, and going to select the search here bar on RoVer. Just click this, you search as you can see here, first result, and you make sure select the correct server and option, and you can click just added server as you can see here, and option authorize, then boom, you are select on the server. After that, give this option and server, just make you have correct server as I say. So guys, this is how you can do use server as ad successfully. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget subscribe, like, share this video for more content.